Alright, so this week's market recap, right? I only took one trade, it was on Thursday, which was a break even, EURUSD. Here's the entry model, and I'm gonna show you the trade. So I entered here, right? On this over here, not this big bearish candle, it was over here, the entry somewhere. It was an SMT entry. So the reason we would break even, right? I would break even early because if the extreme level doesn't hold, then most likely it's gonna take the whole bill of liquidity, which is this, and which it did, which I was right about, as you can see from here. So basically what I mean, right, at the beginning, my break even was actually this efficiency point. Actually, no, I think it was this. Yeah, I think it was the efficiency, then I switched it to this because of the time we were already closer to the new H4, the H4 candle. And like I said over here, I went to break even early because look at this. The extreme was this level, right? As you can see from here, we have a tiny imbalance from here. So I want to break even somewhere around here because if price goes somewhere around like this, if it breaks this low, then most likely we're gonna be taking this whole bit of liquidity which we did, as you can see from here. So price had to bounce from this. If it wanted to go high, it has to react out of this imbalance. But if not, as you can see from here, it didn't. It just gave a fake reaction, and then it delivered lower, and it took all this bill of liquidity. So yeah, this is just it right from here. Not from here. Yeah, I have to take my stop loss. It just yeah, went higher. But anyways, this week's market. Yeah, I was gonna say for this week I was actually bearish from here, right? Like I mentioned in the last post from here. I was bearish because of the price delivery and because of the price. It was a stronger for bearish. But I did make a scenario as well from here. We could also start if since we're out of a high power efficiency from here. I think it was yeah from here. I made a bullish scenario. If we start creating price delivery, strong price delivery, which we did, we start creating strong price delivery after this very structure. It was image reversal DPA. And this boom 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 boom, and then he had a high point efficiency. And now after this inducement on Wednesday, the price delivery was strong for bullish, right? Even in I think yeah, EU looks better. Yeah, price delivery on EU looks better. But anyways, yeah, I was bearish this week, but apparently EU went bullish instead. And yeah, so the only thing that was it was on Thursday, but this week it wasn't that bad actually, especially on Friday today. Actually, the whole week wasn't bad. Actually, yeah, my bad. Tuesday wasn't bad. I think I couldn't find anything more than. Oh, wait, this is last week, sorry. I think the only high probability days were here in New York. And then we had here another New York, and then over here as well, but this was the break even, and then we had here today, but today it gave it did give any entry model, so I was bullish after this medium inducement. I expected us to go higher, but it just kept the level lower and lower, especially after all this build of liquidity. But yeah, from here, I think it was GU. Yeah, Friday's yeah here. It gave us somewhat entry model, but it was already, this was protected, so it wasn't gonna get reinduced. So at New York, I was hoping this low to get reinduced to take minor inducement, and then give some sort of entry model. But yeah, price just went higher, and yeah. So yeah, this week wasn't really that bad, even though we're in Q4 of November, the last week of November. But yeah, not bad price action for this week.